Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. And yeah, you can see the absolute chaos at the moment. Yesterday we had a solid green bar closing on its high, and we've already retraced most of that. We have these levels in at the moment, but they're not actually offering much resistance or support at the moment, and I don't see that happening. So there's 27,200 at the moment. And then we also have this level here, which is 27,469. So basically what's happening is the results are a lot closer than what everybody expected, and so you have pretty much chaos happening at the moment. I think just drill down to the 3 hour. There's really not going to be any opportunities to trade as far as I'm concerned, but you're probably going to get a few lessons in price action at the moment. Okay, so looking at the 3 hour, you can see we sort of moved up on these levels, and then we've really had this massive pullback, which almost engulfs all of yesterday's price action. Now, what you need to do is start looking for the structure, and there's the first level of structure on the 3 hour, okay, and that is 27,052. The second level on the 3 hour is going to be a little bit further down, and that's going to be around here at 26,899. Okay, now the reality of what's happening now is this thing could end up as being a massive green hanging man. Okay, anything's possible during elections, so I wouldn't read too much into that at this stage. This is basically as the results come through into the different states, then you know, if there's a Trump win, then you have a red candle. If there's a Biden win, you'll have a green candle. Pretty much sums it up at the moment. Okay, so for me at the moment, I think we need to wait for the results before you do anything on here, because you're just going to get hurt. So, I mean, if you look at this, let's just take the high. So in 1 hour, it moved 520 points or 1.8%. So, and that's what's going to carry on happening until we get a clear winner. So once we get the clear winner, we should get some structure. If Trump is going to win, this thing will probably drop back down to the lows here, and that's purely based on the stimulus that the market's expecting him to come back into the market. So that's what it's all about. If Biden wins, then they're expecting a massive stimulus package, and that's going to drive the market up. Okay, so that's kind of the key driver at the moment. It's actually the traders don't actually care about who's president, but just about what the impact of that president's going to be. Anyway, at this stage, there's not really much to watch. You can, you know, if you're really brave, you can take some trades on these levels, but you are going to stress yourself out. If you look at the 15 minutes here, you can see drop, triangle, second move down into structure. When your bars are this big, it's very difficult in the volatilities like this to actually be successful. So rather just watch the show and grab some popcorn, because that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And if you look at the 5 minutes, you'll see pretty solid structure at the moment. Remember, volumes are very low at the moment. We've just got a lot of the Asians, and there's probably a few extra people that are trading through the nights, making some money on the elections. But there'll be algorithms that are in play. But you should see things like that, trend lines on the 5 minutes, and now you can see pin bar. Now watch what's happening. You can see obviously there's some results coming through now, which is indicating Biden's winning. So anyway, this is all going to happen all day. My advice, stay well away, wait for the US Open. If we do have a clear Biden winner, then look for structure to get in long, and you should expect some stimulus packages coming through in the short term. But just bear in mind that if Trump does contest the elections or tries to do anything in that line, if there's a Biden winner, then obviously market's going to go into a tailspin as well. Okay, so it's going to be volatile until this whole election thing is sorted out. Okay, anyway guys, short and sweet, no real advice for you apart from sit on your hands and don't bother with this. So hope that helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.